Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nix Noel here and I'm back with another video. And this video I'm going to be making my official dream board, mood board, vision board, manifestation board, whatever board you want to call it for 2022. I've seen a lot of YouTubers do it and I'm like thinking to myself like it's a thing. And I'm like, so let me try it. Again, this is the exploration station. We explore whatever's thrown in our face, and apparently vision board is thrown in our face and we're gonna try it out. We're gonna make our vision board and it's gonna be my first time, right? So I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do this. Okay guys, I'm gonna be showing you how I make my vision board. Here are the materials. So we've got ourselves a cork board. It really doesn't matter what size you choose. You can choose whatever size, small, big, however you want. And I've also ordered myself some cork trinkets or whatever you want to call it. It just says imagine, believe, and achieve. It's actually a coaster. I'm gonna think it'll look cool on my cork board, my vision board. So I've got myself an airplane one. You gotta have these push pins. I've got my black push pins here. I also got colored push pins here. And of course, you don't forget your pictures. I'm doing mine old school style because what I did, I just searched for pictures, what I want to do, what I want to envision and dream about for my 2022. I know you see iPhone there because, you know, your girl doesn't have an iPhone. And yeah, I'm doing this old school style because we're going to be pinning them into this corkboard. So let's do that. Okay, so now I showed you guys the materials needed. And what you want to do actually with your vision board is put it somewhere where you can see it every day. Like maybe the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning, what you look at is what you look at. For example, you look at this certain wall when you wake up in the morning and you put that vision board there so that when you wake up in the morning, you'd be like, okay, I've got to reach. I'm not the type of person who really makes goals because I'm more of a go with the flow, just in the moment type of person. But I'm trying something new. I'm trying this vision board thing, like a plan board. And what I want to show you guys is just one of my biggest goals that I want to achieve this 2022, and that is to travel. Like seriously, to travel to I'll just show you guys, okay? What I like to put in the middle of my vision board is this. It says, "It's already yours" by the universe. So I just found this on the internet and I'm like, that's what I want. The universe is telling me it's already yours. You just have to grab it. So I'm putting that right in the middle of my vision board. I'm gonna be showing you like the finished product board later. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this imagine, believe, achieve right up here, and the airplane, because I like to travel, I want to travel more this year, up here, and the it's already yours right in the middle. I also got two biggest goals that I want to do this year, and that is to experience the holidays in New York. So yeah, I know that's a big goal and I'm going to achieve that this year. So I've got I got a picture of Times Square where they do the ball drop and the bridge. So I'm gonna put that right on top of the board, so that's like one of my tops. It's one of my top goals this year is to experience holidays in New York, experience New Year's in New York. Next is to get a tattoo. Just one is enough. One, two, yeah. And the tattoo I want to get is actually a wishbone and a crow. Don't ask me why, but I'll tell you anyways. The reason why I want to get a wishbone is because a long time ago, like when I was young, high school going into college, I've been collecting wishbones and I haven't got the chance to look into it. Why wishbone? What is the meaning of wishbone? What symbolizes a wishbone? And apparently wishbone symbolizes good luck, and I'm going to read that here. Sorry about that, that's my laptop. Okay, it says here, wishbone in general is a good luck charm that symbolizes hope for the future. That's what I'm hoping for, the future. Good fortune, yes, good fortune. Untapped potential, being in control of one's own luck, a new chapter or beginning. So That's why I want to get a wishbone tattoo. And as for the crow, the reason why I want a crow is also it intertwines with a wishbone because a wishbone comes from a bird, and I like birds ever since I was a baby. Okay, so some people, when they think of crows, they think of bad luck. For me, it's the opposite. When I see crows, I feel very light. I feel luck. I feel, it's like good luck. But then I also researched, and this is what I saw. It says that crows show up to let you know that there are spiritual shifts happening around you and remind you to pay attention to the spiritual message that are sent to guide you. So it's like a guidance and a reminder to oneself. And they also represent transformation that's happening right now. Transformation, cycles, psychic tools, and insight into unseen realms. Crows are problem solvers and can help you tune into solutions when you are faced with a challenge. So for me, I'm sticking with that meaning of crows and just erasing the fact that crows are bad luck. And yeah, I just love crows. That's why I want those two tattoos, and it's very meaningful to me. It's very close to my heart, and whenever time I see wishbones or crows, it just makes me feel light. And speaking of wishbones, I can show you guys a collection I have. I have a collection of wishbones from chicken to turkey to duck. I got wishbones for you. Yeah. Also, one of my biggest goals this year is to get that silver play button. I know it's too much to ask, but I want that silver play button. Like literally. I am working on that. That's one of my visions here, my dream, my goals is to get that silver play button. And to get that silver play button, it says post more on YouTube. So that's what I'm gonna do to reach that end goal, is to post more on YouTube, be more creative with things, and see how that pans out. Next is to get 10K followers on Instagram. I know it's too much to ask, but a girl can dream, right? Anyone can dream. You guys can dream. It's free to dream. Everyone can dream. Everyone can envision, manifest, everything. Just claim it. Another vision I want to do this year is to be my own boss. And to do that, apparently, is to focus more on YouTube. That's being my own boss, because I can manage my own time. I can do things at my own pace. So be your own boss. And also, I like to go on the healthy side. I like to exercise more and start eating healthy. Next is to travel more and explore more. Yep, I am a sucker for traveling. I love to travel. I also love to explore. Maybe I can put exploration, like literally exploring a certain place or an environment on my YouTube channel, and who knows, it might bomb. It might work on my channel actually. Also here I have is post more on TikTok. Next is to get back to house dance. Get back to dancing more. So yeah, that's my vision board, guys. Right now it's a mess. Look at that. I gotta fix that. Yay! My vision board is up. So yeah, I've got apparently everything I want to envision this year right on my board. Because when I wake up from my bed, I always look to the left. And always this wall that I look at. And now I have my vision board up and I get inspired. I'll be inspired every time I wake up. So I've got everything on my board. So now that I have my vision board up, my dream board, my manifestation board, my mood board up, it feels good. actually something to look forward to this 2022. You can make your own path towards this goal. It's really up to you on how you can achieve that and how you can claim that. Make your own path and make sure that path is worth going through. You enjoy the path, enjoy the journey. Honestly, you won't lose anything just making this board. It'll give you that boost on what you want in life. And I hope you guys can make your own vision boards too, and just comment them down below and exchange ideas and what you want in life compared to what I want in life. It may not be the same, but we all want something in life and we're all working for that. So it's really nice to just do something for yourself, something that you look forward to. You only live once, right? Again, this is the exploration station. We explore whatever's thrown in our face. And again, the exploration, I can actually put that in my channel. I can add that niche to my channel. Who knows? It might work out well. So yeah, I'm excited for that. I'm excited for this year, and I hope you guys are excited for me too. I hope you guys are excited for yourself. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Stay safe, keep exploring, and love yourself and all that jazz. Bye.